How to use AfterPay on Cash App. In this tutorial, you will learn step-by-step how to use AfterPay on Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. From there, go to the bottom menu and tap on the bank icon or where Cash App shows you your balance. Once you do that, you will land on this page, where you will see options that are related to money. Next, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to this part of the page, and then from the options that are here, look for one named AfterPay. Next, tap on this option here, named Start. On this page, Cash App is showing the AfterPay feature, which lets you pay for purchases over time with no credit checks. You may also see an amount available to get back, which in this case is $50. You can switch recent eligible transactions to AfterPay. But if it says no eligible transactions, it means there are currently no purchases that qualify for this option. Tap on this option named Switch to AfterPay. On this page, Cash App is explaining the requirements for switching a recent purchase to AfterPay. The transaction must be made using your Cash App card, the amount must be between $25 and $50, and it also needs to be within the last 30 days. In addition, the payment must be fully processed, which usually takes 1 to 2 days. If you do not see any eligible purchases yet, you can check back later because new transactions will appear once they are ready. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Thanks. That is how to use AfterPay on Cash App.